The OnDeleteCascade constraint is used to specify when a row is deleted from the parent table, all rows in the child table that reference the deleted row should also be deleted. This is useful for maintaining the integrity of the database. This is accomplished using primary and foreign keys with OnDeleteCascade. In this video, you will learn how to use OnDeleteCascade constraint. Examples include table designs, associated Create Table SQL scripts, and a visual representation of deletion of rows from tables. As an example, we will use a student database that contains student, course, and enrollment tables. The rules for a student database are: a student can enroll in none or any courses. Deleting a row in the student table will delete all rows in the enrollment table that references the row in the student table. Deleting a row in the course table will delete all rows in the enrollment table that references the row in the course table. And deleting a row in the enrollment table will not affect any of the other tables. Let's create the tables required for the student database using entity relationship diagrams along with their SQL scripts. First, we will create the student table. Then we will create the course table and the enrollment table. Next, we will add the table reference for the student table, including the OnDeleteCascade constraint. Then we will add the table reference for the course table, including its OnDeleteCascade constraint. Note the use of crow's foot notation that shows the 1 to 0 or many relationship between the tables. In this example, we will show how OnDeleteCascade works when deleting a row from each of these tables. First, we will delete a row from the student table. Here, the referenced rows in the enrollment table will also be removed due to the use of the OnDeleteCascade constraint. Next, we will delete a row from the course table. Here, the referenced rows in the enrollment table will also be removed. Then we will delete a row from the enrollment table. In this case, no rows will be removed from either the student or course tables. This is because we did not include the OnDeleteCascade constraint when creating the student and course tables. I hope you found how to use OnDeleteCascade helpful. If you have, click on the like button. And to receive any updates to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.